Hello and welcome back guys to Tech Journal 24. Today we are going to review Galaxy Z Fold 3 Flip 3 5G phone which has been launching today itself, and we will know all the exciting features that it is having within 5 minutes, and we need to know why should we take this mobile or we should go for the other mobile. So let's start. Now, Galaxy Z Fold 3, it's a 5G mobile, and we need to know about this mobile, all the information which is necessary. Before that, what promo that Samsung has launched in a video form, we will go ahead and look forward how it is looking. Okay, so let's start the video. Here it is. This is the video which has been launched by Galaxy. Okay, Samsung has launched this for Galaxy Flip 3 phone. You can see the ultimate view, the vision, the quality, the resolution, cameras. It's like getting best phone online. But we will do the review without wasting any time. Like what are the features, what we can do in this mobile, and do people will like such a big phone, or it will be only being a playing phone or a gaming phone. So we need to understand whether it is a gaming phone or just people will like this for like any other Samsung mobile. Okay, because it is giving a good features with good camera, good FS, and UFS is very fast. Even you can get the Snapdragon 888 over here. So before wasting time, let's just see the network that it's providing. It's giving you a 5G, the latest. All the others are there, but you're getting 5G, which is announced in this year, August 11. And today is the launching date. It will release today itself. So we are the first one to make a video on a release date. And the dimension, the body, it's unfolded, okay, unfolded. You can see it's in 3-part folded, okay, where there's only 271. Built with a glass front, you're getting a folded glass, Gorilla Glass. Okay, Sims you can use as you use in the other systems. Okay, other Android mobile. The display is foldable. The dynamic thing about this mobile, okay, it is 7.6 inches. Okay, a big body. Okay, a dynamic look. It's a Corning Gorilla Glass. Okay, Victus. The platform OS they are giving Android 11 with One UI 3.1.1 chipset. And what I was telling you about a Snapdragon of 888 5G, only 5 nm the processor sizes, so it will consume very less power. Okay, so you can see the code over here. All the informations I have given in this video, just view it. You can see the memories, card slot. It's giving you a 12 GB RAM in both 256 and 512 GB spaces. You're getting a triple camera, the rear camera, triple camera, all with 12 megapixel, 12 megapixel and 12 megapixel. You're getting the highest of 240 FPS to 960 FPS, okay, while you're recording your video. That's awesome for a slow motion recording. And the selfie camera is 4 MB. That's great pixel you are getting. Even you can record with your video of 30 FPS with 1080 pixels, like HD videos. You're getting a stereo speaker, loudspeaker, right? It's awesome. But we can see that this is a mobile. It's more than a mobile. Okay, you can use it like a tab. You can use at a mini laptop. Okay, you can see features that has been given. Okay, sensor, fingerprints, and a lot of other features had been attached. Radio, no radio in this. The battery backup, as you have seen, the 5 nm processor is having, so it will consume less energy, less power, and it's getting a watt charging of 25 watts. That's interesting. Okay, the endurance rating is 75 hours. That is good battery life. You're getting a color of Phantom Black, Phantom Silver, Phantom Green, and you can see the cost over here in INR, dollars, pounds, and it is affordable as per the features that it is giving. Okay, we cannot guarantee that all the information are 100% correct, but we are giving you almost the exact information related to this. Now, well, let us see while the people will like this or not, or people will leave it and move to the other mobile because it will be a little bit more bigger to carry or more bigger to handle. So we have to watch the entire thing. We have to watch a review after a week which it will be coming. Okay, so without wasting any time, if you have any questions, go down below and comment and tell how you like this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to get more of these videos.